When I first heard about AI, fear and anxiety immediately hit.
It was clear that this was going to be another highly evolving, shifting landscape in education.
The world of education as we know it is completely over. Students will cheat. How will we respond to this?
Am I going to have a job anymore? And then we started to realize all of the potential. Okay, what is AI? What is this tool? What could it mean?
We came to the realization that AI is going to be the future, and we need to help prepare our teachers and students for that reality.
The first thing I tell students on the first day of school is, we're going to learn a lot this year. I'm going to teach you as much as I know, but I hope you're going to teach me as much as you know. I'm here to support kids as they grow as young adults. And that's why I got into education. I hope students that come through my room see the value in everything that we learn.
At Quincy High School, we're just a little under 900 students. CTE is career and technical education. It's really important in each of our classes that we offer industry-recognized credentials.
Kids are learning personal finance, how to balance a checkbook, marketing, fashion and design. They're learning to weld, they're learning to fix motors, they're learning how to sew in textiles. All these skills.
It's hands-on education, it's applied learning. They're not just getting to explore, but they're really getting to be prepared for that next level in industry. Part of that is being innovative with AI. We've got to embrace it, we've got to learn with it, and we've got to put all the tools in our toolkit for our students so they can be successful.
Because we know students are using AI. If they're not using one of the powerhouse AI tools, they're using an AI tool within their social media device.
We cannot ask teachers to stand up in front of a classroom of kids when they don't understand what AI is, how it works, and how it impacts classroom environment. Getting the teachers to a level of AI literacy is where this ball started rolling for us.
We launched very clear syllabus language of when teachers either would allow AI to be used fully, somewhat, or not at all.
Yes, you can use it here, but not here.
So every student in every class has really clear expectations and guidance of when AI can and can't be used.
And once you set up those guardrails, the students really innovate and create and think and bring in their own expertise to make the tool work for them.
Allowing them to use this thing is allowing them to feel more freedom in the classroom. Having more freedom in the classroom creates more engagement. Every one of us is doing something innovative. I use AI in my classroom daily. Before, lesson planning for a whole unit could take upwards of 3 weeks. Now with AI, I'm doing it in 4 days.
With that time saved, teachers are not burning out. They can give that attention back to their students.
AI really is the future. It's going to be used a lot more, especially in these upcoming years. And if I learn now, I can have the upper hand after high school.
We are in an age where resources are limited and budgets are tight. We didn't have to create anything new to implement AI. We found the on-ramps that already existed within our school district.
My urgency around AI in education stems from the reality that this is the world we live in. It's where our students are living, and it's the world that we're launching them into.
I have lots of knowledge, but being able to actually give it to kids in a way that kids can understand was where I personally found the value in AI.
If you told me 5 years ago, this is where we'd be at with AI, I wouldn't have believed you.
I heard a quote last year from Ethan Mollick, which has really been my guiding advice to myself, and that is the best way to learn AI is to use AI. And so just getting in there and being vulnerable and saying, "Hi, I have this problem, can you help me?" is a great way to get started.